Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Headlight Restoration Kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked car maintenance products, especially for those who want to ensure their vehicle not only looks good but is also safe to drive, particularly during nighttime or in adverse weather conditions. Over time, headlights can become cloudy, yellowed, and oxidized due to sun exposure, road debris, and general wear and tear, significantly reducing their brightness and clarity, which can be a major safety hazard and also detract from your car's overall aesthetic appeal. This kit aims to bring back that crystal-clear finish, enhancing visibility and restoring the pristine look of your car's front end, making it a worthwhile investment for any car owner. Number 5. SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. Tired of hazy, yellowed headlights? Our kit makes it easy to restore them to a like-new condition. You'll be amazed at the difference. No special tools are required with this kit. It includes everything you need to repair two headlight lenses quickly and efficiently. Say goodbye to fog and yellowing. This kit is designed to bring back the clarity and shine your headlights once had. Improved headlight clarity means better visibility on the road. Drive with confidence, knowing you can see clearly at night. Our comprehensive system includes a surface activator, sandpaper, clarifying compound, and an exclusive UV coating for long-lasting results. Get that like-new appearance back for your headlights. It's a simple, effective way to enhance your car's look and safety. What we like. This kit offers a truly no-tool-required experience, making it incredibly accessible for anyone. It features an exclusive UV coating for long-lasting protection. If you're looking for the simplest, most straightforward solution to restore your headlights without any extra equipment, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to restore your headlights, including sandpaper of various grits, polishing compound, and sealant. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the results were impressive. My headlights look like new again. The sealant provided in the kit protects the headlights from future yellowing and oxidation, keeping them clear for longer. Number 4. Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. Tired of yellowing and hazy headlights? This kit quickly removes stains and oxidation, bringing back that like-new clarity. Get a complete headlight renewal in just one step. It polishes away oxidation and provides protection simultaneously. Easily buff out light scratches and surface flaws. It reduces the appearance of imperfections for a smoother finish. Our special polish restores clarity and leaves a durable protective layer. This layer inhibits future oxidation. Enjoy extended protection against reoxidation. Its polymers guard your headlights from UV rays and environmental damage. Achieve professional results quickly and easily. It's designed for controlled restoration with included tools. What we like. This option provides an all-in-one renewal solution that polishes and protects in a single step. It utilizes oxidation-inhibiting polymers for extended durability. If you want a professional-looking result with a mechanized approach and long-lasting protection against reoxidation, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to restore your headlights, including sandpaper, polishing compound, and sealant. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The restored headlights look like new and the clarity is amazing. Number 3. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect, 16 ounces. Are your headlights cloudy and yellowed? Bring them back to life with this all-in-one solution. It clears away the haze, restoring clarity. See the road clearly again. This powerful formula effectively removes cloudiness and yellowing from your headlight lenses. It doesn't just restore, it protects. A durable coating is left behind to help prevent future fading and yellowing. Simplify your car care routine. This single product clears and protects, saving you time and effort. Enhance your vehicle's appearance and safety. Clear headlights mean better visibility at night and a sharper look for your car. Get plenty of product to restore and protect all your vehicle's headlights. This generous size ensures you can tackle the job with ease. What we like. This product boasts an all-in-one formula that not only clears cloudy lenses but also leaves behind a protective coating. It comes in a generous 16-ounce size, offering great value. If you prefer a single product that handles both restoration and protection with ample product for multiple uses, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit includes everything needed for the restoration process, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. The step-by-step instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for individuals with no prior experience in headlight restoration. The restored headlights look like new, significantly improving visibility and the overall appearance of the vehicle. Number 2. 3M Quick and Easy Headlight Restoration Kit 39193. Tired of dull, yellowed headlights? This kit is designed to quickly and easily restore clarity to your plastic lenses. Get a clearer view of the road in just 15 minutes. Inside, you'll find everything necessary for a professional-looking finish. It includes refining discs and clear coat wipes for a complete restoration. This kit isn't just for headlights. It's perfect for restoring taillights, fog lights, and other plastic lenses on your vehicle. Achieve a like-new look on multiple light types. Our advanced abrasive technology effectively removes yellowing and buildup. It does so without causing any damage to the plastic lens surface, ensuring a safe and effective clean. You don't need any special tools to use this kit. It's designed for simple, hassle-free application right out of the box. Just follow the easy steps for a brilliant shine. Why spend hundreds on replacement lenses when you can restore your current ones? This kit offers a cost-effective solution to bring back the clarity and appearance of your headlights. What we like. This kit promises a quick 15-minute restoration, specifically targeting light yellowing. It offers the flexibility of being used without tools or with a common household drill. If you're pressed for time and dealing with minor yellowing, this product offers a fast and efficient solution. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to restore your headlights, including sandpaper, polishing compound, and sealant. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the results were amazing. My headlights look like new again. The sealant protects the headlights from future yellowing and damage, keeping them clear for longer. Number 1. VIBRATITE 41 PCS Headlight Restoration Kit. Are your car's headlights looking cloudy, yellowed, or scratched? This kit is designed to bring them back to a crystal clear, like new condition. It's a safe and effective way to restore their clarity. Achieve professional-level headlight restoration easily using your household drill. This kit quickly buffs and maintains your lights, ensuring a long-lasting, crystal-clear finish. This kit is economical, allowing you to restore approximately 4 lamps. It's versatile enough for headlights, taillights, fog lights, and more, saving you money on replacements. Restoring your lights is simple with our easy 4-step process. Just use water, the included pads and discs for cleaning, sanding, and polishing, and finish with a wax for protection. This kit offers a physical restoration method without harsh chemicals. It's safe for you and the environment, using only water during the process. Everything you need is in this comprehensive 41-piece kit. It includes various sanding discs, scouring pads, sponge pads, buffer pads, and backing pads for a complete restoration. What we like. This comprehensive 41-piece kit includes a wide range of multi-grit sanding and polishing pads for a thorough restoration. It emphasizes a water-based, chemical-free approach for safe and environmental-friendly results. If you enjoy a detailed, hands-on process and want a complete set of tools for a deep clean and restoration, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to restore your headlights. The restoration process is simple and can be completed in under an hour. The headlights look like new after using the kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.